Welcome to Cape Fear Koi. Hurricane Dorian, Part 2.
Well, here we are, day of the arrival of the hurricane. It's going to be here in about 4 hours. We got the first band coming in right now. I'm going to get my filters cleaned up. Everything's going prep. We've got all the loose ends tightened up. And here's what we're going with. We had a tornado here about 3 hours ago, and this is where it's at, man. This is going to be exciting. We've got friends staying with us. We have 2 friends, 2 more dogs. I think we're up to 9 chickens. Chickens are coming in the house. We have a tree that partially fell on the coop during the tornado, and they're going to be calling for tornado warnings for the next probably 12 hours. We're under a tornado watch right now, and I think I need to get like all the wispy grasses like they do on the Weather Channel, so it looks more severe. But it's really it's not good to say the least. But anyways, here we are. Going to keep some updates going. Like I said, so far the fish are good. They're still looking for food. They're acting like everything's overall normal. They think it's just a thunderstorm, and it's kind of where we're at right now. So we'll touch base in a few hours. All right, thanks. Still hungry. Hopefully I can feed them. Hopefully it's all done by tomorrow. But I haven't fed them for about 2.5 days now, so they're okay. I fed them pretty good a few times before the storm, before I was kind of fasting, so they can go a week or 2, no food, no problem. They just like to beg. Alright, here we are between the bands. We just got about 4 inches of rain in the last hour, and I didn't get a chance to clean my filters. That band came down pretty fast and ran us out of the yard. So cleaning the filters now, and just give you an update here, just to look at all the rain. So these tanks here were empty, and this is what fell in about an hour. Here's the neighbor's devil dog here. Hey, Tucker. Hey, you made it, buddy boy. Hey. So, you in between storms too? So, here we are, making it over. We're about to go ahead and clear these out. We're gonna hit the bead filter, give this a clean. That'll take 5 minutes. The bead filters are absolutely awesome when it comes to cleaning. And I think we've got maybe about a half hour. Lost my foot gear. We've got about a half hour until the next band comes. I have to run down to my parents down the street, and got to go board their windows up. We've had 3 tornado warnings already in the last hour. So, all right, I'm gonna get to cleaning. right, we're gathering the chickens right now. We've got about 2 hours till sunset, and we've got about roughly around 2.5 hours. We're between some bands, so we had to come out here and grab the chickens. We're going to bring them in the house. We have some tree damage from last year's hurricane that could actually cause some issues for the chicken coop, so we're going to bring them, put them in the laundry room. We got one of our transporters. Got one of the chickens going there. Chicken coop. And so far the fish are okay. We've had probably about 6 inches of rain so far, and it's probably going to double. So so far everything's going okay. Got some wind happening a little bit here and there. So yeah, it's the storm is about 60 miles from us, or actually it's less. It's only about 45. So okay, thanks for joining us, and we'll talk to you soon. Here's one of the chickens, another one, and here's another one. All right, see ya. Be safe out there, everybody.
At this point, we've done everything in our power to prepare for Dorian. The animals are safe and secure. We feel we have fuel, food, and water to get us through about 10 days, should it come to that. 5 adults, 8 chickens, 2 dogs. Dry inside our little coastal cottage, surrounded by our friends. All that's left to do is settle in and hope for the best. Please continue sending good vibes to our little homestead. To stay up to date, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the notification button. Hoping for the best at Cape Fear Koi.